Ever wondered how goods move seamlessly across borders? It all starts with the HS code system. Every product that crosses borders has a unique number assigned to it called the HS code. HS code, or Harmonized System Code, is a global classification system for products, ensuring smooth trade and customs clearance. Each 6 to 10-digit code represents a product category, making international trade more efficient and standardized. Used by over 200 countries, HS codes help identify, regulate, and apply duties on goods worldwide. With the HS code system, global trade flows smoothly. Know your code, simplify your shipments. To add an HS code, start by searching for it or selecting it from the Setup menu. Clicking on the HS code link will display a list of existing HS codes. To add a new HS code, locate the plus up right corner and click it. This will open a pop-up form with 2 fields. In the HS code field, enter the relevant HS code. The HS description field will hold the product name associated with this HS code. Once you have filled in both fields, click the Save button to add the new HS code. To add 2 more records, repeat the process by clicking the plus button, filling in the required fields, and clicking Save. This concludes the demonstration on adding HS codes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.